to Harley-Davidson of Danbury's virtual showroom. My name's Al Lucchino. Many of you have seen me on TikTok, on YouTube, on Facebook, a Facebook Reel. If you're watching this video, I'm going to do this walk around and review of this 2026 Harley-Davidson Road Glide. If you like the reel and you want to see the whole walk around and review video, I'll post the full link to my full-length Facebook video in the comments section of the reel. So anyway, let's talk about this 2026 Road Glide. Dark Billiard Gray, chrome black wrinkle engine, solo seat, great price, $25,999 plus your tax and dealer freight and setup costs. This is an awesome motorcycle. Harley-Davidson's working to give us a better motorcycle, and we're starting to see the prices come down, and it's good for you to know that, and I want to emphasize that with you. But there's far more to this motorcycle than just the price, because it is one of the best touring motorcycles, and the Road Glide, because it's got a frame-mounted fairing, handles better than any touring bike has a right to. Very light steering response, particularly in a 25, 45 mile per hour range. It's less affected by turbulence and crosswinds on the highway. So we got a super good handling motorcycle. The fairing is designed using computational flow dynamics. We used to say wind tunnel tested, wind tunnel design, but it simply works. LED lighting all around. You hit the button, powers up, and you see the LED lighting. So there's lots of great features and benefits. Now, the engine is 117 cubic inches, 105 horsepower, 130 foot-pounds of torque. And what an M8 means is it's a Milwaukee 8. So we've got 4 valve cylinder heads, 8 valves total on the machine, 2 spark plugs per cylinder, so 4 spark plugs total. Very advanced cylinder head design, liquid-cooled cylinder heads. We use oil as a lubricant and a cooling medium because there's cooling jets that shoot oil underneath the pistons. Now, it's a fuel-injected motorcycle, so there's no gas valve, no choke, no hiccuping, no coughing, no sputtering. It'll start instantly at any time. You've got one-touch saddlebags, easy to open with one hand. Again, the LED lighting, we back up the powertrain with a 6-speed transmission and a belt drive that's quiet, clean, and virtually maintenance-free. Now, there's lots of other things going on here. You got a 12.3-inch infotainment system. GPS is available. It's GPS capable, so you've got that option for you. It's Apple CarPlay functional. You've got great features, AM/FM radio, Bluetooth capable. You can stream your iTunes into this. 200 watts on the audio system made by Rockford Fosgate. Again, awesome stuff. Now, also for 2026, we've got a retuned suspension package, so we've got great handling and comfort in one package. Super high quality Dunlop tires. The rear tires are 180 millimeter with a dual compound, so you got hard rubber in the center, soft rubber on the side, so we got great traction but extended tire life. Again, lots of technology, lots of great features packed into this motorcycle. As we walk around it, we've got anti-lock brakes, we've got lean sensitive anti-lock brakes, we've got traction control, we've got deceleration control, which is a sprag clutch, which means if you miss a downshift, you're not going to chirp the tire. It's got a slipper clutch design that will minimize the torque effect to the back wheel if you don't time your downshifts and bring the RPM up. Again, more features, easier to ride, smoother ride, more control. So traction control, ABS brake, all lean angle sensitive. The air cleaner is tapered, lots of leg room for the right knee when you ride. Comfortable floorboards, engine guards, all standard equipment, accessories, whatever you can imagine. Seats, backrests, pads. But what I focus on, what I like, is performance. And right behind me is the Harley-Davidson of Danbury Muscle Factory's DynoJet 250i. We can test and tune this engine. 135 cubic inches is well within reach with Screaming Eagle kits and/or Screaming Eagle crate motors. Lots of performance for the taking, and we do it with our DynoJet dynamometer, the 250i right behind me. Our phone number here, 203-730-2453. We're available Tuesday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Saturdays, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Now, one of the things I really like, to hear that engine in the background, that's the sound of the Jekyll and Hyde multi-mode exhaust. It's got 3 modes, all controlled from the handlebar, quiet, medium, and loud. Harley-Davidson of Danbury is a factory authorized dealer for Jekyll and Hyde exhaust too. So come on down, let's take this Road Glide for a test ride. Harley-Davidson of Danbury. We're a family-owned business. Over 30 years as a Harley-Davidson dealer. We're located on exit 7, right off I-84 in Danbury. Thanks for watching. If you have more questions, my name's Al Lucchino. Come in and see me, and we'll get you up to speed on this and take you out for a ride on this road ride. Thank you for watching.